Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find Palumba inside of Palworld 1.0. There's a few different places you can run into Palumbas. They're very tropical islandy type of pal, and the place that I like to grab them is the island down here, just to the south of the volcano island. The coordinates are -428 and -804, where I'm standing. And this is the same island over there where you can go and play the Terraria collab content. And if you're going to do this, you're going to want to make sure you've got some mercy goggles on, and then you can really easily farm Palumbas here because they're just trying to chill out, wandering around in the surf, and we'll let you just catch them wherever. Provided that you're at the appropriate level to actually fight them. I think there's actually quite a few Palumbas that are just chilling out on this particular island. There's also some Finsiders that like to hang out here. Yeah, there's a couple sets of 2 Palumbas here hanging out on the island. They like to hang out on the beaches, soak up the sun, which I suppose makes a bit of sense because they're literally a plant-based pal. And then that's pretty much it. Like, you just wander around looking for them until you've got your fill. I think there might even be a few more up here in the upper area in case you're missing 1 or 2. In fact, there's like 3 of them all clustered together, and one of them's even dancing. There we go. Alright, so once you're back here at the base, Palumba's got a few different things going on. They've got a level 4 planting for work suitability, a level 4 gathering, level 5 mining. They eat a medium amount of food, and their little skill, when being ridden by a PAL trainer, they can be ridden and they get an increased movement speed of 155% while you're riding them on grass. And there's quite a bit of grass throughout this game. Not everywhere, mind you, but there's quite a bit of it. So that's a pretty significant boost in mobility for a good chunk of the mid-game. So definitely don't sleep on Palumba if you need a good grass-type pal, and you're also looking for one that can go really fast. I got one that had Stronghold Strategist and Heavyweight, so this looks like you're not too bad off if you try to find a few of these and grab like a handful. You might get one that's got some good stats, which I guess is true of every pal. And that's about it. What level is the Palumba? Palumba saddle is available at level 35, and all you need to craft it is 30 leather, 30 cloth, 30 ingots, and 40 paldium fragments. So not a terrible amount. It can certainly rip real fast, although it is kind of big and chunky and not the most exciting pal to have as a mount, depending on who you are. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.